Tired of ramen noodles and wishing you were sipping champagne on a yacht? Stay tuned because this investing guide turns the tables. Ready to conquer the 2024 economic jungle? Arm yourself with Warren Buffett's wisdom and discover how to turn market dips into gold mines, inflation into your best friend, and yourself into a financial superhero. Is your coffee habit starting to feel like a luxury tax? Don't worry, inflation isn't just stealing your caffeine buzz, it's messing with everyone's wallets. But fear not, we've got Warren Buffett's proven, and effective, tips to keep your bank account smiling. Imagine this. You're at the mall, surrounded by shiny gadgets that whisper, "Buy me." But wait, before you empty your wallet, learn Warren Buffett's trick to resisting impulse buys and turning yourself into a savvy investor. Ever panic check your portfolio more than your social media? You're not alone. But with Warren Buffett's Zen Master approach to investing, you'll learn to chill, invest smart, and watch your money grow like a well-watered money tree. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. When delving into the realm of investments, few names carry as much weight as Warren Buffett, widely considered the greatest investor of our era. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, consistently defies expectations, boasting staggering performance that eclipses market averages. Since assuming leadership in 1965, Buffett has orchestrated an impressive 20.1% annual return, leaving the market's average in the dust. In his annual letters to shareholders, the Oracle of Omaha provides valuable insights, and one of his resounding messages is about the safety of stocks for the long run. In this video, we'll explore Buffett's timeless ideas, tips, and advice, particularly relevant to the economic landscape expected in 2024. Reflecting on the aftermath of the great financial crisis, Buffett's insights become even more crucial. The past decade witnessed an era of exceptionally low interest rates and substantial federal spending, injecting abundant money into the economy. As we face the prospect of economic shifts in 2024, it's essential to consider Buffett's perspective. Stocks on sale? Cha-ching. Don't let a dip in the market scare you off. Think of it as a giant clearance sale for awesome companies. While others panic, Buffett says it's the perfect time to snap up some discounted stocks and watch them soar when the dust settles. Remember, he's been buying stocks since he was 11 years old. He knows a good deal when he sees one. Imagine you're at a giant warehouse sale, and everything's marked down, even those fancy sneakers you've been eyeing. That's what a market dip is like for Buffett. While everyone else is running for the hills, he's calmly filling his cart with discounted stocks. Remember that time he bought Coca-Cola for a steal in the 1970s? Now, one sip costs more than that whole case. Think of it as planting a money tree. The lower you buy, the higher it can grow. Buffett's approach to market downturns is enlightening. He views declining stock markets as opportunities, emphasizing that as a net buyer of stocks, he appreciates when prices go down. This perspective, shared in a 2008 op-ed, aligns with his famous advice: be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Invest in yourself, the ultimate asset. Forget fancy stocks and bonds for a sec. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Hone your skills, learn new things, and become a money-making machine. Buffett himself says, the best investment by far is one in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. Picture this. You're a superhero, but instead of saving the world, you're saving your wallet. How? By learning new skills. Take online courses, master a new language, or become a baking wizard. Each skill is like a superpower, earning you more money and making you unstoppable in the financial jungle. Invest in your awesomeness, and watch your bank account sing. Befriend inflation, the sneaky thief. Inflation might be stealing your pennies, but don't let it steal your cool. Find businesses with the superpower to raise prices without losing customers, like Apple or that fancy coffee shop you love. They'll keep your wallet happy even when the price of everything else seems to be skyrocketing. Find companies that can outsmart inflation. Imagine a bakery that magically makes bread taste even better when it costs a bit more. That's the kind of business you want. One that can raise prices without losing customers. These guys laugh in the face of inflation and keep your wallet happy. Emergency fund. Your financial superhero. Before you go on an investing spree, remember your emergency fund, your financial superhero in a cape. Aim to have 3 to 6 months of living expenses stashed away in case the recession monster shows its ugly head. This will keep you calm and confident, even when the market throws a tantrum. Investing for the long haul. Think of investing like planting a money tree. You wouldn't yank it up every day to check if it's growing, right? The same goes for your portfolio. Don't get tempted to check it obsessively or make rash decisions based on daily fluctuations. Trust Buffett's wisdom. The best time to buy a stock is when you're comfortable holding it for 10 years. Imagine planting a money tree, but instead of watering it daily, you just give it sunshine and let it grow. That's how you invest for the long haul. Don't check your portfolio every 5 minutes like a nervous gardener. Trust in the companies you've chosen, and let time work its magic. Remember, Buffett once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." So, plant your money seeds, relax, and watch your financial forest flourish. Remember, even with Buffett's wisdom, navigating the economic jungle can be tricky. But by following these tips, you'll be well equipped to face 2024's challenges and emerge victorious. Now go forth and conquer, fellow investor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial education like this. Thank you for watching.